much homework. I just want to rest. Huh? What is that sound? Someone needs help. I should check. Is it from here? Let me see. Oh, wow, a little puppy. You are so tiny. You are shaking. Do not be scared. I am here. Were you left here? That is so sad. But I cannot take you home. My dad is allergic to dogs. He will not say yes.
Ah, hey there, little fella. You're a happy one. Sorry, can't breathe. Just achoo.
Are you okay? I guess we cannot have a dog at home.
But if I leave you here, you will not be okay. You will be hungry and cold. I feel so sad. Okay. I will help you. But it must be a secret. Your name is Lucky now. I will take you home, but you must be good. Remember, do not make noise. My dad will find out. I am home now. I need to be careful. Good. The living room is quiet. My dad is not home yet. Mom is in the kitchen. I need to walk quietly. Lucky, please do not make noise.
Bob, why do you not say hello to me?
Oh, I forgot. Hello, Mom. I will go to my room now.
Bob is acting strange today.
Whew. I am safe now. Okay, Lucky, you can come out now. Wow, Lucky, you are so happy. You're so fast. Woo! Woohoo! Shh. Be quiet, Lucky. This is dangerous. If my dad sees you, I will be in trouble. You must be hungry. Here is some milk. Whoa! Slow down, Lucky. You will be okay now. This room is your home now. But this is our secret, okay? Come here, little one. Woof, woof. That's a good boy. Yip, yip.
This roasted chicken is delicious. Everyone eat up.
Yes, it looks perfect.
Don't forget the vegetables.
Son? Dad?
Oh no, I think I have a cold.
I need to save some food for Lucky. I am done eating. Ooh. Oh no, this is bad.
Bob, what is this? Why is it on the floor?
I am just checking how fast it falls.
That sounds very strange.
I do not understand what you are doing.
Okay, Lucky, let us go now. Come here, Lucky. Be quiet. We must walk slowly and quietly. Shh. I will get some food for you. Oh no! Someone is here! Hide, Lucky!
Bob, why are you here so late?
I am thirsty, Mom.
Okay, drink water and go to bed. Do not stay up too late.
Lucky, it is safe now. That was so close. We almost got caught. Lucky, you are so active today. Oh no, my socks are everywhere. Hey, Lucky, that is my shoe. You are making a big mess, Lucky. My room is a mess now. Ooh.
Bob, can I come in?
Lucky, hide now. Mom is here.
Bob, why is your room so messy?
I am sorry, Mom. I will clean it now.
You have been acting very strange lately, Bob.
You clean up your room and do your homework, okay?
That was close. I almost got caught. You made a big mess. You have to promise to be good. I need to go to school now. Lucky, let go of my shoe.
Do you want me to stay with you? I have to go to school, Lucky.
Please stop. I will be late.
I wish you could go to school with me. Stay here and be good. Do not run anywhere.
Wait. What is this?
Since when do we have a dog?
Oh no! This is bad.
Bob, do you want to explain this?
I found him in a box. He was alone and scared.
Right here.
I could not leave him there. I wanted to help him. Oh,
You are a nice dog. Achoo!
Dad. I know you are allergic, but I cannot leave him.
Having a pet is not just for fun. You must feed him and take care of him every day.
I will do everything. I promise.
Then you need to show me.
Good morning, Lucky. It is time to wake up. Here is your food. Eat well, Lucky. I need to clean my room every day. Now my room looks clean and nice. Do not hide things from your parents. Open your heart. They will find a way to help you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to see more videos.